Kibahayeng jong kalong kemi balaklat menen kesengi HMCH Hospital Jowai West Dentia Hills District kila dawa ya ke hospital ban kit klik na kabenta ki khun jong ka nyongut kiba kala I shedien jong ka ban pendap penbiang yaki Kibahayeng kila ongru bakinam trek satya ban shimti ya kamet jong ka badan menta hakani ke MCH Hospital Jowai Kibahayeng ka kong lit pencai bare kila ong bakat ba ka sarkar kampat dep ban ai da ka jing tho ya ka ban kit kli ya Kibahayeng jong ibalaklan kinnam shimti ya ka met bat kin yai dawa ban pinyo ya ka jing bishar ka bahok ka jing klat jong ka te ka long kami ka de ka jing le torti jong kinong tre ka te ka jaka sumar ong Kibahayeng
na papuyu yung kapunchay ko patu ko klat nin daman ga garo yung na nabiyang to yung sem yung dap tin sem bus na kya mo yijing do em na pigi pai pa boy snya pigi ni man ga kam ga drama mo ko ko apuyu advertise to mo khat bo yala de ye pi hajaka yung modul ye nga question ya gi nurse ki to gi staff ko chim duty nin gi doctor to duty wing charge ya ka imagine to ka gitu to go puyu yung ki na go bay yung ki kaman siyaw kita if the parents or the sister were being treated like that kaman siyaw ki hadla di chim gi yete benta ki siyaw thu ni kat wan ji siyaw yung I siyaw thu go ru yung I go puyu yung I na gi khandan yung I to yo andu kat go ru go budu go gre banda gre ni yi go sai kon nang yung ka tang yung le mong daman proper ni de am kon nyau ti kon prakat tang la do kat wudu ra kam kaman be hi kat dang em hi ga be hi yung hi sem ki kon do ja gi bam ki kon dang ye be gi lai school the past ki class 5 class 6 le kat dang em hi ga be ga kli yung no ki kon do chem jin ja gi tang de jing le kar les yung ki ni ki doctor ki ni ki nurse poi chedo new code kita kon daman kon swet kate kejasi kim yo bam lai education temboy hitang perkhat you pelai pala ukre bela lai kre bela no vi kon na di do em ko vi ko question kar pari ki per pai pa po ye pli he jaka yo I siap mo jing ki jut no in siap mo dan to ko pu ki tu to ko be pin chao blai kam te mo te I we le ni me to a humble request yo ngai a minister of health please Snow Bhat pai bhai kini government hospital especially kini yongi jaka khakon mo bon sin de jia communicate even le wan man to ong yo the one man yo biang snow to I what the depth ye one din de tang wa emi ka jing kermen wa dai ni wa pau pai ba ai yong fight ka government look into this issue take it seriously bo the inquiry itu ki staff duty in both the doctors and nurses this is like my strong request to the minister of health please look into this issue okay because this case can continue like again and again it could be happen to some other people it's not my family also we are standing here so that this case won't continue again and we request a humble suspension for those who take charge yesterday duty until the inquiry is done because our sister were supposed to be alive today yesterday morning she was still so healthy minister this is my message to you please she was so healthy we didn't expect any change from her we didn't expect this tragic to be happen so please and because of the negligence of this staff today we lost her and please take care of the hospital and the staff the beds here are not proper. Yesterday she was sleeping on the floor. Please look into that issue also. And we request, if it's possible, kindly look into her children. Iconic yung kada man yung sa. O emi giwa yung asem, emi giwa yung arbe yung. Imepong yung iigin, igi, itu man gipu yung igi kon yung igi, em lang igi, tangkat wan em gabor mo. Man lang kabay em kon yung igi yung ikon hapay choy ikon. Party from all if you could help please help more children welfare please look into this takata
ni ngana liang yu yang ni ge sei wada flat la do nin la do ne siao na trang o u yo tingarap ikon go nyau de e ko sedem de e kon swet ko ki kata sawai duk waduk bela membe upala unang wa uyo jengarap ke sorkar ki ladu wasdang hadu wada hegi kan ku hegi hab yo jengarap ki laga tik sorkar lada dong te lada miarap ki i mye usai gagni met yap yung kalapok ni hostel ukidi ya siyo hadu wada yo i keterai laki te ye usai gani met yap yung ka ukidi ya siyo yo pedep yang nyam ngerko te sagawin hile wa poi siwa dia ka hadu kad ni pot wa jori le torti yung ini i nurse yung ini doktor la do sedang ko poi hini kim emusim kia gi paika usumarga man laga minit ongo wan doktor rapenga ki try penban dia ki ong penban dia ka kelam tok met penban dia ka kelam si penban dia ka ye jengmut hawadaman gi doktor hadaman gi nurse tok kam gi uyarap ya i pajba i watia kedut watia pang wachitom itu ye ipoi hadi hostel madi yo di benang di website impoi tang po ni hostel kaya ngakarpat ya health department yo go upersan doim do ya bi kamta meni kena wada ikon swat ni begi ukersan lagi nado mentu menstep hado wada hegi kan pu uye higi o limela nong sni dan bu im nong sni higi lagi to sorkar wa bakhle ki ladong sedong lado ke jingstat hado ke banggedi hado ke dawai hado barok ladong sedong you go on jadi tahi jing dawa o na sorkar to ki bakhle ladong sedong ya ini kena wada e konswet ni bay penting